Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Skinny Me Simone. If you start over. Hi Chiquitas and Chiquitas, welcome back to my channel, Skinny Me Simone. If you're a new viewer, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. If you're a return viewer, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I groom my eyebrows, and this is the end result after I applied, makeup for the day. And that clip is going to be later on in this video. A little bit of a disclaimer: I use Nair, and I don't use the name brand Nair. I use the Dollar Tree kind, and my skin isn't sensitive to Nair, so I'm able to. But just for you guys, if you guys aren't comfortable using Nair, then I don't recommend this video for you. If you have sensitive skin and you're not used to putting Nair around your face, especially around your eyes, this video is not for you as well. But I've tried this many times now. It's been years that I've been practicing this technique. So if you guys aren't afraid, and if you guys are able to handle like the burning sensation of your hairs, then this video is for you, and keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys how I applied it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Now these are the supplies that you're going to need. Of course, your Nair, and I get this one from the Dollar Tree. Tweezers, these are Tweezer Man. Some little eyebrow or cuticle scissors work good as well. A few Q-tips, a little wand that you can actually spread the Nair with, and this I got at Ulta. They have them like in the front where you can try on the makeup. And then of course a clean little mascara wand. So how we're gonna start this is we're gonna go ahead and get some Nair. Okay, now you're gonna apply it to this Q-tip. Just go ahead and squeeze it out on there, and then we're gonna go ahead and just start shaping the way you want your eyebrow, of course, to look. And every eyebrow has its own natural shape, so I encourage you to stick with the natural shape of your brow. And if you don't have that many hairs, that's where you go ahead and color them either with makeup, and some people also get like a semi-permanent tint. So I'm just going to apply this all over the perimeter of my brow, just starting off with a Q-tip, and I'll get into the corners and the arches a little bit later. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've already filled in the perimeter of both my brows. So I forgot to mention that you're also going to need a paper towel. And I say a paper towel because once you're done, with your Nair, or if you feel like you have too much in your Q-tip, you can actually like wipe some off here. This paper towel is going to come in handy throughout the whole session of you doing or Nairing your brows, okay? So the one that I use, again from Dollar Tree, is Assured Moisturizing Hair Removal Cream. If you guys want a separate review on this, I can definitely do that for you guys. So I do have a unibrow, so you make sure you have to fill in the middle area. So you can remove your unibrow if you have one. Alrighty, so after I fill in the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the actual fine lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with a new Q-tip, this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and push the product a little bit more closer, actually creating the real perimeter of how I want my brow shape to look. Alright ladies, so this is how I went ahead and outlined the perimeter of my eyebrows. I did add a little bit more Nair to the areas I needed to add more. Now please be careful when you do it around your eyelid area, and because you are having Q-tips, you can always use a clean side to wipe off a mistake or wipe off your eyelid if you did get it on your eyelid. So I'm gonna wait about 10 to 15 minutes, let it do its thing. Right now I do feel like a tingling sensation, like a slight tingling sensation, nothing too overwhelming. And again, if you guys want a separate review on this product, I can definitely do that for you all. So let's just wait, and as soon as the 15 minutes are up, I'll come right back. I just went ahead and put some on my mustache now that I'm just Nairing my whole face. Now I forgot to also mention that this little paddle, I use it to like push the product to make like a even more straighter line, as well as pushing it back for a more even distribution. So I'm just like pushing it a little higher, to make that straight line, but also pushing it down just to evenly distribute so it can take off all the surrounding peach fuzz off my eyebrow area. Just pushing this ever so gently, not being too tight. I'm sorry, not being too rough. Okay. Just really getting into all the skin around the brow. I'm gonna blow my nose. Damn. Okay, so I'm still waiting 15 minutes. Hola, mica. Alright guys, so the 15 minutes has passed and I'm gonna go ahead and get my paper towel and just go ahead and wipe off whatever chunks I can of the nair, and then I'm going to wash my face to take off the remainder. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright everyone, so I went ahead and washed my face. Now the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get my clean little mascara wand. I'm just gonna comb the hairs up. And now I'm just going to trim along the line of my brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lift, and those little, long hairs, I'm going to just trim them down in a straight line. Not too short, but I'm just gonna do that all around the perimeter of my eyebrow, and I'm also gonna comb them down like these long hairs coming down. I'm gonna just trim those ever so slightly. I'm gonna do that throughout my brows so I can go ahead and trim them. Alright, now that I've trimmed this eyebrow, you can definitely see the difference between this trimmed brow and this one's a little bit more longer and more bushier at the top and at the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim that one now. Now that I've trimmed them, I'm gonna go ahead and get my handy dandy tweezers. I have a big amplified mirror here in front of me. I'm just gonna go ahead and just tweeze out the last remaining hairs that didn't make it for the nair to take off, just so I can really have that chiseled shape for my brows. So I'm just taking off all of the hairs that didn't make it or that are still straggling. Alright guys, so this is the finished look after I went ahead and naired them. I trimmed them, I tweezed the last little bits, and they're looking real cute, real chiseled. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'll see you guys in a moment. Alright guys, so that's the end of my video. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer anything that you guys have questions on. And again, I don't recommend this if you have sensitive eyes, if you have sensitive skin, if you have never used nair or any kind of chemical like that before. If you are not comfortable, then just stick to tweezing them or maybe even waxing. That's always an option as well. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoy or like this makeup look, let me know. I can post what I use as far as details goes. And don't mind the background, I have like my makeup thrown, clothes everywhere, come trying to get ready. Yeah guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.